My name is Israel Kamaka Vivole. Miloli'i is, if not the last, one of the last working fishing villages.
Raindrops, they hamper my vision, falling down a cutting incision in my mind. While we said we have time, blow Makani, shout jubilation, carry us down to our destination. Go wiki wiki on Keala Tahiti.
Eu do is medley Maui songs. I just trying to think what songs we'll do, but I'm not mad being around so much rocks. Apo ako, choke me off. This next song is a song I learned when I was a small baby one time. I was small, before. Real guy, right around birth. Anyway, the song goes like this. Oh, family song, what a family.
Uamau mai ke pono mai ka makuala ni mai ke hui nei mako I kono loko mai kai. Uamau mai ke pono mai ka makuala ni mai ke hui nei mako I kono loko mai kai. On a hilltop in Tahiti, as I gaze across the bay at the island of Morea, standing in the day, and my lovely Margarita turns cool, and I know here I'll be full in paradise. I'm a fool out here. Your Anna, can you stand the heat? Your Anna, dancing in the feet. Your Anna, when you laugh at me. Your Anna, say I'm in ecstasy.
See the uncle struggling over there.
No matter what color you, yellow, black, pink, orange, purple, maroon, one race, bro, the human.